SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the hotspot name on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. Your iPhone device name is something that gets applied to a lot of different locations. This could be AirDrop, Bluetooth, and your personal hotspot. If you've connected to the hotspot from another device and you don't like the name that's being used, then you can change this by going into the Settings app, scrolling down, and selecting the General option. You can then choose About at the top of the screen, and then you can select Name. Now you just need to delete the old name, and you can type the new one. And once you're finished, just tap the Done button at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you'll see that the device name and the hotspot name have been updated to what you just typed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.